Hello friends, welcome to Hunter Engineering. So let's get started with the Creo software. Double click on Creo parametric icon. It will open the Creo parametric version 7.0 software. Click on new icon. Now we starting with sketch option. How to draw the sketch? We learn in this video how to draw the sketch. Give the file name. For example, I will give it as practice 01. Okay. So here so many options are there. Center line, point. So this is the line, rectangle, circular, splines, ellipse, arc, fillets, chamfers, offset, palette, modify, delete segment, corner. So this is the vertical, horizontal, perpendicular, parallel, equal, symmetric. So many options are there. So we starting with line. There are two options, line tangent and line. We simply starting with line. Click on line option. Left mouse button click. Again left mouse button click. To cut the line, click on middle mouse button. So we are created the line. Again click on middle button of the mouse. The dimension of this line will come. To update it, click on that dimension. Give it as 20. So 20 is a dimension of this line. So we learned how to draw a line option. Now we are going for center option. There are 4 options are there in center. We are going for circle option. There are 4 options: center and point, concentric, 3 point, 3 tangent. So we are starting with center and point. Click on left mouse button, drag it until the line. Again click on left mouse button, middle mouse button, click on that. Click on middle mouse button. So it will show the diameter of the circle, and this dimension means distance from the center point of the circle to end point of the line. So double click on the diameter dimension, edit the dimension. Like I will give it as 10, and distance I will give it as again 10. So circle is created of 10 diameter. We are going for now arc shape. So here again 5 options are there: 3 point arc, center and ends, 3 tangent, concentric, conic, etc. So we are going for 3 point, means select the 2 point and select the center. click on arc, 1 point, 2 point, give the arc. Middle mouse button. So it is showing that radius of this arc. So I will give it as 5, and this is the distance from the line to end of the arc. I will give it as 1, and this distance I will give it as so. Now second option, center and ends, means choose a center point and give the end point of this circle. I will give it as this line end is the end point of this circle. So you can create a half circle, 3/4 circle, or full complete circle. It is showing that radius is 5.3, so we are giving 5.5. Edit this dimension, and so we are seeing the 4 options. Now we are going for fillet option. Circular fillet, circular trim fillet, elliptical trim fillet. We are going for circular fillet. So click on this circle, click on this circle. So fillet is created of radius is 68.69. We'll update it as 60. So fillet is created. To again update this option, I'll leave it as 30. So fillet is created of radius 30. So now we are moving for delete segment option. It is used to delete the particular segment. For this, for example, I will delete this segment, this segment, this segment, this segment, this segment, this segment. See how it is work. Let's go for next option is divide. To divide the line, to divide the circle, it is used. How it is used? Click on divide option. Choose any point on line. I will choose like this. So I will create a 3 divided line. So see, single line is divided into 4. You can give the dimension for this 2.5, again 2.9, 1.5. See how it is work. One more option is use of this vertical, horizontal, perpendicular, this option. How it is work? Create a line, To make it this line as vertical, click on vertical, click this. See, line is vertically aligned. To make this horizontal, click on horizontal option, click on this line. Why it is not taken? Because it is aligned for vertical option. So one entity is taken, so we cancel this vertical option. We are going for horizontal. Click on this horizontal option. See how line is horizontally aligned. For example, next option is the perpendicular. Click on perpendicular. Okay. Click on line. See, to do the perpendicular option, select the first and select the next. See, two lines are perpendicularly aligned. To make these two lines equal, create equal, click on this line, click on this line. See, two lines are equal in length. Now we are going for parallel option. So simply draw a line, click on parallel option, click on this line and click on this line. See, these lines are parallel. To choose how much they are far away from two lines, you can decide by giving the dimensions. 3. See, 3. So next option is the tangent. Create a line and which is to be tangent with the circle. Click on tangent, click on line and click on this circle. See, the line is tangentially follow the path, or the line is tangentially attached with circle. To get the midpoint, click on midpoint, choose this line. To create a line, midpoint option, click on the line, so last option is the dimension. To check this line dimension, click on dimension, click on line, middle mouse button. So this length is shown. You can edit this length. For example, I will give it as 9. So line dimension is changes to 9. Same way you can create a center line option. For example, for this circle I have to be draw a center line. See, you can draw a center line option for this. Thank you.